security guard, John, worked at an abandoned factory that no one had visited for years. He sat in his booth, watching the monitors and occasionally patrolling the building. But one dark evening, John heard a strange sound coming from deep within the abandoned factory. He decided to investigate. In a deserted corridor, he saw a shadow dart past him. He ran after it, but it disappeared. He continued moving through the corridors, trying to find something strange. Finally, he ended up in a hall where an enormous machine stood. However, it started to operate, despite not being functional for a long time. The machine grabbed John in its metal tentacles and began to twist him in different directions. The guard screamed and begged for help, but no one heard him. He died in agony, unable to find a way out of the trap. Since then, it has said that his spirit continues to roam the abandoned factory, seeking revenge on anyone who dares to disturb its peace.